Welcome to our channel. Negotiating car deals can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to popular models like the RAV-4 hybrid. Understanding car pricing and effective negotiation strategies is crucial for any buyer looking to secure the best deal possible. Knowledge of the market value of the RAV-4 hybrid, along with an awareness of the various pricing components, empowers buyers to approach negotiations with confidence. It's essential to research the vehicle's MSRP, current incentives, and any available rebates, as this information serves as a foundation for effective bargaining. Additionally, being mindful of dealership add-ons and hidden fees is vital. Many dealerships may attempt to upsell features or include unnecessary add-ons that can significantly inflate the final price. Buyers should be vigilant and question any additional costs that may not have been initially disclosed. Understanding these potential pitfalls can save you from unexpected expenses and ensure that you are making a well-informed decision. Setting the stage for real-life negotiation scenarios can further enhance your ability to navigate the car buying process. By examining common situations that arise during negotiations, such as counteroffers or the pressure to make quick decisions, viewers can better prepare themselves for their own experiences. Role-playing these scenarios can also be beneficial, allowing potential buyers to practice their negotiation skills in a low-stakes environment. Ultimately, the goal is to equip viewers with the tools they need to advocate for themselves effectively. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned car shopper, understanding the intricacies of negotiating a car deal, particularly for a sought-after vehicle like the RAV-4 hybrid, can lead to significant savings and a more satisfying purchase experience. By being informed and prepared, you can navigate the complexities of car buying with greater ease and confidence, ensuring that you drive away with not just a new vehicle, but also a sense of accomplishment in your negotiation skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support is needed to keep us bringing insightful and money-saving content to our audience. The RAV-4 hybrid has emerged as a standout choice in the automotive market, securing its position as the #1 selling SUV for 4 consecutive years. This remarkable achievement underscores the growing popularity and demand for hybrid vehicles, particularly among environmentally conscious consumers seeking fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance or space. The RAV-4 hybrid combines the practicality of an SUV with the benefits of hybrid technology, making it an appealing option for families and individuals alike. However, this surge in popularity comes with its own set of challenges. As demand continues to rise, finding specific models can become increasingly difficult. Many buyers may find themselves competing for limited inventory, especially for sought-after trims or colors. This heightened competition can lead to frustration as dealerships may have fewer vehicles available, and popular configurations can sell out quickly. Consequently, potential buyers must be prepared for the possibility of extended wait times or the need to compromise on their preferred features. In this fast-paced market, acting quickly when a good deal appears is crucial. With the RAV-4 hybrid's reputation and desirability, attractive offers can disappear in the blink of an eye. Buyers who hesitate may miss out on favorable pricing or the chance to secure their ideal vehicle. Therefore, it's essential to stay informed about market trends and dealership promotions, allowing you to seize opportunities as they arise. Being proactive in your search and ready to make a decision can make all the difference in securing the RAV-4 hybrid you want at a price that fits your budget. In summary, the RAV-4 hybrid's sustained popularity reflects a broader shift towards hybrid vehicles, but it also presents challenges in terms of availability. By understanding the dynamics of the market and acting swiftly when a good deal presents itself, buyers can navigate these challenges effectively and drive away in one of the most sought-after SUVs on the road today. During my first interaction with the dealership regarding the RAV-4 hybrid, I was greeted by Tommy, a seasoned salesperson known for his approachable demeanor and extensive knowledge of the vehicle. From the outset, Tommy emphasized his commitment to transparency in pricing, which immediately put me at ease. He explained that the dealership aimed to provide a straightforward buying experience, free from the typical high-pressure tactics often associated with car sales. This approach was refreshing and set a positive tone for our discussion. As we delved into the specifics of the RAV-4 hybrid, Tommy outlined the pricing structure clearly, breaking down the MSRP and any current promotions. He highlighted the importance of understanding each component of the price, which is crucial for effective negotiation. Transparency in pricing not only fosters trust between the buyer and the dealership, but also empowers customers to make informed decisions. However, as we discussed the price, I was reminded of the necessity to verify whether the quoted amount included any add-ons or accessories. Dealerships often include additional features that can significantly increase the final cost, such as extended warranties, paint protection, or other aftermarket accessories. Tommy assured me that he would provide a detailed breakdown of the final price, including any optional add-ons, allowing me to assess what I truly needed versus what might be unnecessary. This level of clarity is vital in the car buying process, as it helps prevent any surprises when it comes time to finalize the deal. As we continued our conversation, I felt increasingly confident in my ability to negotiate effectively, knowing that I had a knowledgeable and transparent salesperson like Tommy on my side. Overall, this initial interaction not only set the stage for a productive negotiation, but also reinforced the importance of transparency in the car buying experience. By ensuring that all aspects of the pricing were clear and understood, I felt empowered to make the best decision regarding my potential purchase of the RAV-4 Hybrid. During the negotiation conversation regarding the RAV-4 Hybrid, several effective tactics were employed to ensure a favorable outcome. One of the first strategies I utilized was comparing offers from different dealerships. Before visiting Tommy, I had done my homework and gathered pricing information from several local dealerships. This knowledge not only provided me with a solid benchmark, but also empowered me to negotiate confidently. By presenting these competing offers, I was able to demonstrate that I was an informed buyer, which encouraged Tommy to be more flexible in his pricing. Another key tactic involved asking for discounts. I approached this by expressing my genuine interest in the RAV-4 Hybrid while inquiring about any available promotions or incentives. Tommy was receptive to this request, and we discussed potential discounts that could be applied to the final price. However, I also made it clear that I was willing to be flexible regarding certain features or add-ons, which opened the door for further negotiation. This willingness to compromise on non-essential aspects allowed us to focus on achieving a mutually beneficial agreement. Throughout the conversation, I emphasized the need to remain firm on pricing without sacrificing quality. While I was open to negotiating certain terms, I made it clear that my budget was non-negotiable. This firmness helped establish my position as a serious buyer who valued both quality and affordability. By maintaining this balance, I was able to convey that I was not just looking for the lowest price, but rather a fair deal that reflected the value of the RAV-4 Hybrid. Ultimately, these negotiation tactics created a productive dialogue between Tommy and me, leading to a satisfactory agreement that met my financial expectations while ensuring I would receive a high-quality vehicle. This experience reinforced the importance of being prepared, flexible, and assertive during negotiations, ultimately resulting in a successful car-buying journey. When purchasing a vehicle, it's essential to be aware of common dealership add-ons that can significantly impact the final price of the car. Some typical add-ons include paint protection, which is designed to shield the vehicle's exterior from scratches and environmental damage, extended warranties that provide additional coverage beyond the manufacturer's standard warranty, and fabric protection, which aims to keep the interior upholstery looking new. Other common add-ons may include tire and wheel protection plans, gap insurance, and various aftermarket accessories like floor mats or upgraded sound systems. While these features can enhance the vehicle's appeal, they often come with hefty price tags that can inflate the overall cost of the car. For instance, paint protection packages can range from several hundred to over $1,000, while extended warranties can add thousands more to the purchase price. As a result, buyers may find themselves paying significantly more than they initially anticipated, which can strain their budget and diminish the value of their investment. It's crucial for buyers to approach these add-ons with a discerning eye and to evaluate whether they genuinely need them. Many of these add-ons are optional and may not provide sufficient value to justify their cost. Therefore, it's advisable to negotiate the removal of unnecessary add-ons during the purchasing process. By doing so, buyers can effectively lower the final price of the vehicle and ensure they are only paying for features that align with their needs and preferences. Engaging in open discussions with the salesperson about which add-ons are essential and which can be omitted can lead to a more favorable deal. Ultimately, being informed about common dealership add-ons and their potential impact on pricing empowers buyers to make smarter financial decisions, ensuring they drive away in their new vehicle without overspending on unnecessary extras. After a thorough negotiation process, the dealership presented the final offer for the RAV-4 hybrid, which reflected several adjustments made throughout our discussions. Initially, the quoted price was higher than I had anticipated, but through diligent negotiation, we managed to bring it down significantly. The final price included a competitive discount based on my research and the comparison of offers from other dealerships. Additionally, we agreed to remove unnecessary add-ons such as the paint protection package and extended warranty, which further reduced the overall cost. This final offer not only aligned with my budget but also ensured that I was paying for features that truly mattered to me. However, before finalizing the deal, I understood the importance of getting everything in writing. This step is crucial in the car buying process, as it protects both the buyer and the dealership by clearly outlining the terms of the agreement. The written document should detail the final price, any negotiated discounts, and a breakdown of the included features and services. Having this information documented helps prevent any misunderstandings or discrepancies that may arise later. Once the final offer was agreed upon, I also considered the logistics for picking up the vehicle. It's essential to plan ahead for this aspect of the purchase, as it can impact your overall experience. I discussed with Tommy the available options for vehicle delivery, including whether I would pick it up at the dealership or if they offered home delivery services. Additionally, I made sure to confirm the timeline for when the vehicle would be ready for pickup, as well as any necessary paperwork I would need to complete beforehand. By addressing these logistical details early on, I ensured a smooth transition from negotiation to ownership. Overall, the final offer presented by the dealership was satisfactory, and by taking the necessary precautions, I felt confident in my decision to move forward with the purchase of the RAV-4 hybrid. In this video, we covered several key points that are essential for anyone looking to navigate the car buying process, particularly when considering a popular model like the RAV-4 hybrid. First and foremost, we reiterated the importance of negotiation and being well informed about pricing. Understanding the market value of the vehicle, as well as the various components that contribute to the final price, empowers buyers to negotiate effectively and secure the best possible deal. We discussed how comparing offers from different dealerships can provide leverage during negotiations, allowing you to advocate for yourself confidently. Additionally, we highlighted the significance of being aware of common dealership add-ons and hidden fees that can inflate the overall cost. By knowing which features are truly necessary and which can be negotiated out, buyers can avoid unnecessary expenses and ensure they are making a sound financial decision. We also emphasized the importance of getting everything in writing before finalizing any deal. This step protects both the buyer and the dealership, ensuring that all agreed-upon terms are clearly documented. Furthermore, we touched on the logistics of picking up the vehicle, encouraging viewers to plan ahead for a smooth transition from negotiation to ownership. As you embark on your own car buying journey, we encourage you to apply these strategies and insights to enhance your experience. Being informed and proactive can make a significant difference in securing a deal that meets your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on car buying and negotiation strategies. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who may also benefit from these tips. Together, we can empower more buyers to navigate the car buying process with confidence and success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future.